Yeah, like that. Now mix your feet.
Let's see.
Mix it. Go, go, go. Oh, watch out, don't fall. Oh my God, look. What color is coming, Marcelo?
This channel is all about teaching early education for small kids by helping you improve your skills in an easy and fun way. Marcelo, hello, hello, hello. Remember to subscribe, like. What are we going to do today, Marcelo?
I don't know.
Balls? They're not balls, they're circle because we're going to use Marcelo's feet to paint and to mix colors. You know how you can do that? Yes, with Marcelo's feet.
That's so
We
cool.
need, you know what is this? It's a cushion wrap. We're going to put it on Marcelo's feet and we're going to put some paint on the circles and Marcelo has to mix the color and we're gonna see what color we're gonna have. You want to see? Yes? Are you ready? Are you ready, Marcelo?
Yes.
First, you have to cover all your foot with cushion wrap. Let's see. Yes. Very good. You have to do some tape for this. Okay, you're gonna stand up, Marcelo. You're gonna stand up.
Let's
Can you
do this.
Stand up or no? Yeah. Oh, it's gonna explode all the bubbles. Okay, we're going to add first, we're gonna add color yellow. We're gonna add color yellow. So you can use color yellow with your right foot. And then we're gonna add color, what color?
Red.
Red. And Marcelo can use his left foot with red. And then you're going to mix, Marcelo. We're going to see what color we're going to add. And you can mix the colors. Do it. Now go to the yellow. Go to the yellow one.
Jump, jump. Yes.
Whoa. Oh, be careful. What color? Oh my God. You can fall down. What color can you see now? If you mix yellow and red, you can have color
What color is that, Marcelo?
of
Red.
orange. Then inside the circles, and mix. Because we're gonna mix another colors. And we're gonna see what happens. That's a really fun activity
Wow.
because they can use their feet. Good one. So let's go to another one. Okay, now we're ready with color orange and we're gonna use color yellow and color blue. I don't know what color we're gonna have if we mix color yellow and color, what color is this, Marcelo? Color blue. Let's see color blue, blue. Go, Marcelo.
Jump. Put one
Let's
feet in
see.
one and put the yellow in the other one. Yeah, like that. Now mix your feet.
Let's
Mix
see.
it. Go, go, go. Oh, watch out, don't fall. Oh my God, look. What color is coming, Marcelo?
Spin.
Go, 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 go,
Green.
go. What color is coming?
Green.
Tell Daddy.
Green.
Yeah.
It's color green.
Color green, that's so
Good
nice.
one. Wow, be careful. We can fall down. Remember that you can use all of your hands with this activity and you can learn about colors and mix some color, right, Marcelo? Tell your friends we are.
Watching you.
Remember to
Subscribe.
and like.